the head office pay for it. So we accrue the amount.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
for us, we accrue corporate traveler, we accrue the amount this month,
Mm.
and then next month, head office will recharge us.
Yeah, we will actually issue or
Mm.
book the recharge journal.
So AHO gonna book the recharge journal to us to the
Next month.
same clearing account,
But
and
they're
then
not booking this month.
yeah, they only book.
Why they not
They
book this month?
they usually book 1 month behind.
Mm. Because now everyone looking the journal to accrue this, they double work for everyone. If you know what I mean. Yeah, but yeah. So what I mean
Oh,
is, if she already had the charge, so you know how
mhm.
much the head office charge to everyone. She just book the intercompany journal to recharge all the entity. Then we don't have to book this.
Oh, you mean the corporate traveler?
Mm.
Oh, I think they normally get the reason why they're doing it a month later is because they also pay for it later.
Mm.
So
They pay.
the one that we accrue is actually based on the invoice from corporate traveler, but the head
Mhm.
office haven't paid.
Mm. So they can recharge like
So they can recharge you if they
so
haven't
we
it
have to
hasn't
okay.
yeah if it hasn't hit their ledger.
Mm. Yeah,
Yeah,
that makes
but
sense.
for the cost that they already recharged you,
Mm. Mm.
we have to expense it to our current month.
Mm. Mm.
They already recharged you late. So for example, this one is March and like February costs.
Mm.
Yeah, so these two amount you have to fix it to be the full amount, because if you only book half, you're not gonna clear our clearing account.
So for that one, you said that not using that clearing account, just
N-
expand all uh,
No, I'm just
from
saying the amount. It had to be a whole amount. So they charging you $70, then you have to spend to the P&L $70. And then from the P&L, you recharge to contract logistics.
half of that.
So now if you go back to contract
Mm.
logistics, you take it out from your P&L. So it have to be credit.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's one should be credit.
Yeah, so this one is have to be credit, and the debit side,
Mm.
and the this one. So because we're recharging to contract logistics, so this um you have to change the description here to reach it say recharge
Mm.
to contract logistics, not landside.
So, um, the first thing.
So this account here, I can see that you put it back to the clearing account,
Mm.
which is not correct. We
Mm.
have to put it to our debtor general, because this is the amount that we recharge to contract logistics, right? We put it back to this other debtor, and then after month end we have to raise the invoice to contract logistics.
So you said, is that correct to other debtor or not?
Yeah, other debtor is correct, but the last one that you added, you put it
Yeah.
to clearing account.
Yes. And you said that it should be the full amount. For contract logistic here, it's correct to be half, but then
Mm,
alongside,
yeah, the
you,
expense journal.
mm, that's fine. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
so
think
this
this one
one
is
is
fine.
the Sentry. Yep, this one I put it back to other debtor. So everything on this contract logistics recharge journal, the debit side is have to be the debtor account and the credit side is have to be our P&L account.
Fix this.
Does that make
So
sense?
other step. So I just reading
Mm,
through it. It's a bit confusing.
mm,
So you said the corporate traveler, yeah.
yep,
This
yeah,
is corporate traveler. First, head office didn't pay us pay corporate traveler
mm,
year, so they sent us the actual cost for the month, so we accrue it in the
mm,
clearing account. When we accrue that, let's say 1,000, but
mm,
500 belong to 1,000. We accrue 1,000, right?
mm,
But in clearing account,
yep, that's right.
yeah. But then you want to expand uh the, no, the one that need to recharge, you expand everything and then just recharge half of that
Yes,
to contract logistic. And when you recharge, you put in other debtor.
yep. I
The,
think, yes, I think the easiest way for you to remember is any cost,
mm,
you just have to book it all to the P&L. And
mm,
at the end of the month, you review the P&L and any cost that we are sharing half with contract logistic, then we recharge back to them.
mm, mm,
So the
mm,
corporate traveler, we normally have many people traveling, not only this person.
mm,
So
mm,
only this month that we only have this person. That's why we recharge all half of the cost to them. But for example, if we spend 5,000 on corporate traveler, but it's include many other stuff, we only pick out this specific person travel cost to recharge,
mm,
but not the rest.
mm. But when I book the corporate traveler, I
Mm,
booked the into clearing account full amount.
that's right. That's
Mm, mm,
correct.
mm, 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 mm.
That's correct.
That's what I recharge. That's correct part. Then the second one, the Optus one, I
Mm,
didn't go. Mm,
yes, because you only book in half, you had to book in full.
mm, 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 mm. Actually, what I was thinking from start is
Mm,
expand half year. Okay. Okay. 3.8. Oh,
mm.
yeah. Yeah. So I should only divide half. Yeah.
So there are two
This
steps. Two
usually
step.
that's our
Mm,
expand. And then half of this one I recharge when I recharge have to use other data. Yeah. Now
mm,
this one. Yeah. Yeah. And then this one
mm.
I should use other data. So better. Yeah. Yeah. Expand over expand size should be on this side.
Mm.
Mm. Oh, so not the sundry data, right? But other data in general because we're
Yeah, yeah,
gonna
yeah,
see it.
yeah. It should be this new account. Yep. I'm just looking at this. Now I'm
Mm.
looking at the contract logistic tab. So this one have to be equal to our account. Yeah.
Mm. Why that equal to our account? I use the account that you have previous month.
Yes, but the travel expense is gonna go to the correct one. For example, flight is gonna go to flight.
Mm. Oh,
Yeah, so it's gonna go here. Flight go to airfare, go to car rental, and hotel go to accommodation. And then this line is have to go to the same account on the end, which is
okay.
this one gonna go to Suntree creditor. So this amount bonus.
I think bonus you haven't done. So,
Yeah. I'm just checking.
yeah, just checking.
This one is communication. Yeah, this one you put it to clearing account as well. This one has to
No, I
go
changed
to.
it already.
Hmm?
I think I changed it already to Sandra
Mm. Oh,
Editor.
really? I'm using the file on your.
Oh, I'm not sure why it not appear on your one. Can you enable
Huh?
content something? How come it's not thing?
There are two files on your journal. Which
No,
one did you use?
one is journal is just the template to upload. I haven't uploaded yet. Yeah,
Okay.
so the working, because I found that if I use a
Mm,
previous month file with the
mm,
journal, that journal never connect.
You have to use a blank one every time. You
Mm,
can't
mm,
use
mm,
the. I only use it to just copy and paste
mm, mm,
to keep it consistent. That's all.
mm, mm,
Mm,
mm.
Yep. So I update and save this one. Yeah. Okay. We just wait for the. Um, okay. So show me your what is it?
Let's
Flexi
see.
purchase? Yeah, flexi purchase.
What can I see? Just, um, yeah. Mm. Okay. This one.
Mm. I don't think there is any
PPT.
mm,
Mm.
yeah, I don't think you get assigned anything yet. I'll
Mm.
have to ask Helen. But anyway, let me show you how to do it first, and then later Helen can assign, and then you can have a attempt. So this one we are trying to clear out the credit card expense from the credit card holder that's sitting in on our book. So previously we have four, now we only have two, Nathan and Frank.
So that is just booked in, right? Just booked in.
Mm, we have to review their credit card. So once you got access, it should look like this, and there should be report. So the people that have credit card for you will be assigned the people that have credit cards. So let's look at Frank. I haven't cleared his credit card last month, so March to April. March to April was it? It's on our. This one is March. Go select Frank and March. Yeah, so you see this is the transaction that he spent in March. So we have to look into it one by one, and then we expand.
So, is that total he's paid?
So the total that he spent from the company credit card is 1,600. So AHO will pay for this, and then they will recharge us. That's why you see it's sitting on our clearing account.
Is that the same amount? Yeah,
Yeah, the
160.
same amount. So
I mean,
1620.
yeah.
So now I'll show you there is a template for it. So you can go to April and copy this folder over NAB to May. And then we go into Frank. So you see the last time I did was, last one is his Feb. So we do the March one, we just copy. Yep, so open this folder. Oh, that's weird. I think it just takes time to sync. Let me see. Oh, let me open it again. Yeah, this is the March one. Why is it read only?
Oh, enable content.
Anyway, so this one is already got credit card holder statement period start. Have to input the correct date in. So we 28th of Feb to 27th of March. So it's automatically changed the file name to March. And then the total for the period is going to be this amount here. Yep. So we delete all of the data. And we start again. So first I would download this, export it to Excel. And then I'll download on the supplier. So this one is actually affecting our FBT at the end of the year. So we just gonna be careful when we do it. And the date, I'll put in the transaction day. Yep, so now we start looking at one by one. So first, we're looking at his spending for office work. You select here. So before you're doing it, this tick is mean view and complete, and this one is approved. So it has to be approved by his manager, and you need to have both tick on every transaction before you can clear it. If it hasn't, you have to follow up with Frank to ask him to upload the receipt and ask his boss to approve.
Mm.
Yep. So first you click on the left one.
Is his boss is Nathan or who? Oh,
Actually, not sure. Let
Paul.
me check.
Paul.
Sure. Let me check. I think it has changed.
Mm.
Oh, don't know who. I think before it was Max, but I don't know who is his boss now. So whoever is VP of Landside.
Then some.
Is it
No,
Frank?
I don't know.
I mean Paul Yelman or something.
Oh yeah, yeah. I think Paul.
Not sure. Anyway, you click onto the coding. You can see he says stationary item for office. And then we select the tax invoice. So I had to check to make sure the amount is matching with what he claiming. So 52, right? Yep. So now we go to this our file, select the nature. So there is already a drop down for you to choose. So there is a office stationery. And this one, nothing. You can add in his description from the site. Stationery item for office. Sorry, I'll copy the amount, the total amount here as well. So when you copy the total amount, make sure you exclude the account fee because this spreadsheet will automatically include the account fee of $4.40.
Mm.
Yep. So if it's
Mm.
later, I'll show you the coding. So once you enter all of this information, it will automatically generate the coding, and we will just check. So if it's like off stationary, and then definitely highly likely it won't be FBTable, then we're gonna
Mm.
claim GST.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Now we go to the next item. One-stop connection, container storage recover from customer. Let's see, container storage. How much? 503. There are three of them.
But when he buying from one stop is not our supplier.
He paying the storage. So when he wanna collect the container, they usually I think after the vessel or something they usually there will be 3 days storage free, and then after if they collect later than 3 days, the free period, then they have to pay for the storage. And if you don't pay immediately, you won't be able to collect the storage. You won't be able to
Mhm.
collect the container.
But you mean this is customer, right? Like he paying for customer or what?
Yeah, you pay for customer and then you recharge them. So he will have to send it to Rachel to send an invoice to the customer. But then depends on who fault is it. If it's our fault to come late to collect the container late, even though the customer already tell us to collect it on time, then we will be the one who pay for storage.
Oh,
Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, so
wow.
he give you this one. I will put in the container number as well.
But really, a TP wallet, credit card pay for all this expense, like the expense that I that have.
Mm,
Wait,
he shouldn't use his oh sorry Annie, can you just hold on 1 second? I got a phone number. I got a call to see is it urgent. Oh never mind, they hang up. Okay. So I think normally they shouldn't pay using the credit card, but
mm,
because for Landside they don't have a transport team at the moment. So that's why Frank is paying from the credit card for like coming out from the credit card. Otherwise, there should be a side setting up. So container storage, normally for this special one, I'll put others, and then later we have to code ourselves. Yep, container storage. Yeah, next one I think is gonna be the same on three of them. Yeah, GST 44. Let me go back. Oh, why suddenly it's become so big? Container storage recover from customer. Yeah, that means we recover from customer. 45. I just put in the container number as well. MSDU 2725980. Okay, we go to the next one.
What if an entity have staff that using so much credit card?
Yeah, that's right. Before before Max, he has maybe 50 lines per month.
And how come FlexPay don't let you to download all the data?
Huh? What do you mean?
Like you have to with the data that like the information in there not enough, like don't have invoice numbers that you have to retype it.
Which
So
one don't have?
when I mean when the staff they spend this, right, they scan
Mm,
the invoice in, is the invoice should be invoice information in their size should have at least in invoice number, invoice amount, but and GST, right?
mm.
Yeah, like all basic information for you instead of you have to type it.
Oh, you mean you wanna ask the credit card person to enter?
I mean, when they upload this one in, that
Mm,
one should read all that information for you.
yeah,
Should not,
this is only what is have there from NAV.
and they have nothing, only the supplier name. That's it.
Yeah, that's
That's
right.
why.
That's right. That's right.
Mm,
So
mm,
you have to select into every single of them. So
it's a
this
thing.
one, yeah, the
Mm,
next one, 7-Eleven fuel for hire car.
mm. They consider to change it or no? Anyone complain? Anyone complain about this? No. This app.
No
That
one
they
have,
don't lock.
no one has time so far.
So everyone just do it.
Yes,
Because
and we are
the one doing.
the one that has the least to complain.
Yeah. Because this is the AI century when they're still using this
Yeah,
for
that's right.
everything.
So this one depends. So for fuel, you can just select fuel.
Mm.
Most of the time, we wish select travel, domestics. Next one for LD stores. This one is really time consuming if the person has a lot of credit cards. View for office.
And this one, if it's part of your money, then and you only get this like end of the month, right?
So we
Then
normally do 1 month behind. So for example, if it's May, I'm gonna be doing it for April
mm, mm, mm.
because otherwise you won't get it on time. It's too late for you to be doing this.
Yep. So this,
Mm.
if that's the case, then you can do this no, like before, um, like from the 15th, right?
Hmm?
Like as soon as
Yeah,
you
yes,
receive.
that's right. That's right. You can do it as soon as you can check, and if he's already completed, you can do it already. It's just I normally be doing all of my report until at least the 18th or 20.
Mm, mm.
So you only can start month end after that. And to be honest, this is one of my least favorite tasks. So I always leave it for later.
Yeah. Yeah.
So for this one is staff welfare.
And then you're not allowed to use this for any personal thing, right?
Yes, that's right. So if you say any personal, we have to check with them and they confirm it's personal. They have to make a payment back to our company.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, so once you do this and this, you can see the check here. It's matching.
Mm,
Now we go to the journal working. So unfilter this and filter currency, filter AUD. It will show you all of the GL transactions. So 1620.74, it should match with the total amount for your credit card user, and it's matched with what AHO charging us.
mm,
Remember this container storage because I put others, so it's put in the manual coding.
mm,
And this one is follow on Frank cost center.
mm. The
Yep.
heck
So it's
of
yeah.
it.
So it's go to 6001. So
But should
uh
that goes there? If what if
yeah,
he
because this one, for example, the storage, it definitely shouldn't go to 6001. It should go to Yenora, which is
mm,
3859.
mm.
So when you post the journal, I would normally change it. So now let me so now I would normally put it in the template so I can have a look. Just give me 1 second.
You said that you have the mapping, so you easier for you to review that the one.
That's right, that's right. So let me copy and paste a journal previous. So we're posting this one for March. Okay, so we copy and paste it here because I normally put it in this file so I can review the coding. As this one got the analysis discussion. Uh, okay, so uh, this one is go to clearing account. So by the time you finish doing this, it's credit to clearing account. That means it's gonna clear out this balance on your credit card on your clearing account. Yep. And this one, stationery, go to stationery and paper. That's correct. but I would change it to 3859 because it should go to the Yenora cost. He's not buying it for himself. This one should be 3859 as well, since it's office. Um, container storage. Container storage normally should go to 367 plus 367,040,040. The transport full. And for hire car, so travel domestics are this one. Mm. And this one, milk for office, is go to staff welfare. That's correct. I'll put it to 3859 as well. Yep, and then the rest, it just this one is the GST part, so it's go directly to the GST account.
But if okay,
Yeah, does this make sense?
yeah, it's
Mm.
yeah, it makes sense.
Yep. So you see Nathan on the GL, we got a credit card debit for Nathan, but if it's only $4.40, then you know that he's didn't spend anything for that month. He only get the charge. So I'll clear it as well. I'll just clear it together in this journal. I'll just copy from Frank. $4.40. Frank is Nathan Riley. So Riley in Riley. So Nathan is so Nathan is 6002. So this one 367878. So credit our clearing account, and this one is the coffee. Go to general expense, and the GST go to the GST.
Bank fee has GST.
Mm. Huh?
Is that the bank fee?
Yeah. It's a 40 cent GST, and the fee is $4.
I didn't remember
Mm.
bank fee has GST ever.
It does.
It has. Okay. Yes.
Yep. So let's see if Frank has a lot for the next month. Let's check Nathan. So Nathan, April. Let's check. Oh, for April, he didn't have anything as well. So let me clear that as well. And just do March and April. $4, $8.80, $8.0.8. Yep. So just do one go. Let's check Frank. Hopefully he don't have much. I'll show you back then max cruise. This is like a small amount already. Some, yeah, so lucky he's gone now. Even this lady has a lot.
I think not this not the issue for us only, right? For other entities, there must be more.
That's right.
Fee.
That's right. That's right.
And if they travel like this, because for us, uh, yeah, for previously they use
Mm,
the app. So when they scan in, they have to provide all the information. We just export the journal,
mm,
yeah, and review it instead of so it is more like they just provide you receipt and you code everything for more.
that's right.
Mm.
So Frank is actually very good. He's always put in the receipt, and sometimes if it's his personal and he actually accidentally used the company card, he will put it there and automatically pay back.
Mm. Oh,
So let me do his April one as well.
sorry, but then what
Mm.
happened with if they didn't send you receipt for one few transaction in the month, then it will be
If he didn't, I can't clear. I have to follow. I will just leave it in
when
the
was it?
clearing. And then I have to keep keep following up with him until it gets clear.
Mm.
Okay, so now we do the same for April. 28th of March to 28th of April.
Sometimes I feel like the person like sometimes uh you do review for
Mm,
me. It's
mm.
it it actually easier you do it yourself, right? Sometimes it's not annoying
Yes, of
when I do
course.
I do it and not the way you think should be or like mistake.
Mm,
Yeah, it's
yeah, but
actually hard.
no, but I would let you have a try because
Mm,
I think you only learn when you
do it, yeah.
mm,
Mm.
you only learn when you're actually doing it. But if I'm just doing it and showing you, then by the time you're doing
Mm.
it, you're gonna have a lot of questions.
Yeah, yeah. That's exactly.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah, when you're showing, maybe I understand, but then when I do it, then I say, oh, yeah, it's a lot of
Yeah, then you
confusion.
will find out like what's the issue.
And I can't see the issue until you point out.
Mm. Yes, so always it's best to try yourself.
Oh,
Is the gift for staff?
it,
Already
it,
by is the gift?
yeah,
Oh, yeah,
in
yeah, yeah,
April.
that's right.
It's,
I forgot. So this
it
one
was
is
so hard that I don't know the time to.
so true.
Sometimes
Uh,
you no definition of time.
yeah, loss of time. Let's check. We buy all chocolates. Okay, so is the gift for staff? This one is easy. So gift. I think this one I wouldn't be gift. It's just a staff welfare.
Mm.
Just chocolate for staff. Mm. Okay, so
Mm.
that's it. Go to
Because if you do
journal.
gift, then you have to put the staff name.
Yeah, that's right. You had to put the staff name, and it will be subject to FBT.
Mm. Well,
Yep.
I could imagine FPT will be complicated in DP world then. You have
Mm,
to
it
review
is.
everything.
Yep, it is. See, in this one, there are not many transactions. I'll just post it in one journal. There is the gift for staff. Yeah. So we have a look here: staff welfare, general expense, GST credit card. Yep, on good. I'll just save this one, and then we
You
can
know why
post here.
from Oracle cost center not BD?
Hmm?
You see the column N, your analytics code. Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Will that be
Oh, it's
the
because
easy?
it should
At the
be.
number. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you put it in the one in the
Mm.
front, then it will read.
Mm. Number.
Just because we copy and paste from the other spreadsheet, it's different format. That's why.
Mm.
Mm. Yep. So this one, let me check. This file is important. Make sure we save it. Otherwise, wasting my time. Where did I save this file?
Not here.
NAB. So this one is done. Close, save. This one is a read only. Sweet.
Yeah. Is
Okay,
that
this
the
one is
yeah,
done.
correct? The
Huh?
one you just saved? The
This
one
one,
you
where
just
is
saved?
I save it? Oh, okay, this one I save it on my drive. This one I'll post it later. Should be 05 March and April. Okay, that's this done. Now we can tick off our NAB journal, and then I'll show you how to roll over the file. Um, so let me see if I have it open yet. Did this? Oh, this one. Let me close it. Yep. So for month-end report for our P loss, I would normally roll over from the mains file.
Mm.
So make a copy. I would just leave April in the folder so later we can review. So we roll to May. So for this file, first you have to input month. Current month is May and prior month is April.
Mm.
This file, okay, there is many tabs that we need to input. First, we need to input in this one, the previous month number. So it will cons global. So in order for this one to read, in order for our cons global to read the prior month number,
Mm.
it's reading from our 2025. So it's supposed to be 2026, but just too lazy to change the name tag. And this one, our overhead consolable is the same. So what I do is I would copy and paste from our April file into this tab here. Yenora and the overhead. The consolable LL is the summarize of both Yenora and overhead. I will let you have a try to update this file because this file is very important on month end.
Mm. So you upload the
Mm,
last month in the cons global tab,
mm, mm.
so you can compare because currently is not.
Yes. Yep. So you have to update this tab. So normally for other entity, our EPBCS would have already have consolable report there. But for land side, it's because our management want to split the cost and then map it differently. That's why we have to do this consolable by ourselves.
Mm.
So you have to update this um, unit as well. This
Mhm.
unit, you know where to get it from?
You saying that previously you don't have to get the unit and temp report like it.
Mm,
So you mean that land side cannot download the
mm.
cons global it from the planning.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
So now we're mapping it by
Mm,
ourselves. Is this what you map?
yes.
Mm.
Yeah. So we have to map it by ourselves pretty much.
Mm. Yeah.
Yep.
So,
So on month end, I'll show you how to update this P&L for your FM. So whenever you want to provide the P&L for Amit to look, let me try updating the current P&L for May. So we go to EPBCS.
This plan 39, right?
Where's
Mm.
our report is.
Mm.
So you have to copy and paste the P&L for every single cost center. So you go to profit and loss. Remember the one we have by define CC? So you have to remember the cost center in order to do this. So starting first, these are the input tab. So Genora is 3859.
Yeah. Trade.
Mm. So you can, I would normally just copy up until May. Copy. And then put in this Genora. And then all the left is, we already have a mapping to map which account um, to which IT cost. Professional fee, for example, is reading based on this one. So if you
Mm.
see anything unmapped, you have to map it yourself.
Mm. Update
Mm,
it. But look
that's
like
right.
the line from column J is
Mm.
going down by one TL, I think.
Um, so for this one, it doesn't, sorry, let me close this. So for this one, it doesn't matter about the format because
Mm.
later we will just base on, we will only look at the P&L and the cons global. This
Mm.
one is just our data input tab,
Mm.
basically.
Mm.
Mm.
But we have to make sure all the GL are mapped to the left side, right? So that it
Mm.
not
That's right, that's
repeating.
right. So there is no missing
Yeah.
formula, that's all. So this one you can see is starting from March only. So I'll just you can just copy and paste April to May, basically.
Up the
Sorry,
real
March to
the
May.
real
Yeah, the
the real.
coordinator. Does it have more account? It has more. Okay, it has got sick leave.
Last
I'll
month
just
has sick leave already.
no May. Got just having
Already
from May.
full year.
So I'll just input in more columns. So to make sure we have January and Feb. By the time when you updated this a few times, and you will try to find out where is the variance if you update it incorrectly. So this one you can see OT is mapped to 65 OT, and total employee expense. Oh, this one I have to copy the operation supervisor B139. I do. Yeah, I have to put this in order to. Oh, why this one is missing something? Did I not
Oh,
map it? Mm, mm, okay. Yeah, I think this one is especially add on. Okay, so
ship pay.
mm, next one you can just delete the rest. We don't need these. Next one is the overhead. So overhead for Yenora is 6001.
Mm. So you update it beforehand before you actually finalize. So you fix the template before.
That's right. That's right. Otherwise, it's too rushed to do it on the last day. And I would normally review the P&L before as well.
Mm. Mm.
Yep. So this one, you notice there is also depreciation. So we will fix it up later. Victoria is 6011. Yeah, you see we back out of the cost. So we only have the May cost here.
Mm.
And then 60. Oh, we also have costs. So this one, we don't have New South Wales transport anymore. So if you see anything sitting on 60110, it have to be reclassed.
No more New South Wales stuff.
Mm.
But that's temp, right?
Yeah, this temp stuff is for Yenora.
Mm. Oh, yeah.
So we need to, but now it's sitting on New South Wales, so we need to reclass it to Yenora.
Mm, 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 mm.
And Queensland is 60112. So Queensland got so much cost this month.
Transport.
I think I have already reclassed, but
Mm.
because
But,
APBCS hasn't been updated, that's why.
but have you checked
Mm.
what like the invoice that you asked me? Hamid said
Yeah.
that we should use a accrual to release
Mm.
that um, instead of it hitting the
Yes.
piano. So was that related to that cost?
Yes, that's the seal cost.
Mm. What's the accrual that you say transport
Mm.
accrual? Is that accrual for transport or for rail? For transport, right?
For which one? The Yenora?
So you remember all the
Mm.
seal invoice?
Seal. Yes,
Yeah.
seal. We can use it.
Mm.
I just want to leave it on the balance sheet, and then I will properly give Amit a call to confirm when
Mm.
the
Mm.
all of the costs coming in that we can release.
Mm.
Okay, this one overhead is a bit tricky. So we have two one. First is 1102, which is our finance cost.
Finance cost.
So finance. And then next one we have 2101, which is um, safety.
So the lady sitting in like at work,
Mm,
she's
mm,
sitting in this chair, right?
that's
And
right.
this chair only related to transport.
That's right.
You know
So
when they will no longer have this transport cost?
I don't know. It's supposed to be absorbed by Sue, but for until now they still haven't. The last one is 6002.
I think I might say by June.
June.
Yeah, he said by June I need to know everything. I don't think it's ever possible to know half of it.
Just
He
try
just
try
think
your best.
yeah. He just think everything so easy because he been in
Mm,
transport industry for like more than 10 years.
mm, exactly.
Too hard.
Yeah, okay. So you see in these cost centers, right?
Yeah,
We have depreciation, but
yeah.
depreciation is not supposed to sit on the overhead of transport. It's because this depreciation is actually posted by our system.
Mm. And
And
then,
in every entity, we set up depreciation automatically for the finance cost center.
mm.
So we have to do some manual adjustment here. So the depreciation, the ROU, and the interest on lease liability, we're just gonna copy and paste from here to our here to here. And then we have to delete that manually.
Oh,
Mm,
overhead transport. So
mm,
originally you booked that in overhead transport,
mm. It's
but it
automatic by
belongs to
the
us.
it's
It
automatic by the
currently.
system. That's why
Mm,
the
mm.
CC is already go here, and we just manually adjust on this report.
Yeah.
So it will show correctly on this Genora. That's all. So
Because
it will pick up the lease liability here.
all the fixed asset has moved,
Mm.
like the fixed asset that not belong to Yenora has moved to seal entity, or they don't have any fixed asset.
Or we still have fixed assets sitting here. That's why we got depreciation.
No, I mean for transport.
Mm. Transport never have any fixed asset.
Mm. How about they don't have any trucks, any.
Yeah, they're all renting.
Oh, okay. Mm.
The last one is the P&L input. This one is just a summary that I used previously. You go out. Okay, the 12p loss per month. So this is the normal P&L for the whole entity. It's a way to check if we input this P&L correctly or not.
Mm.
Yep. And then you go into this consolable. It's got check here. So if you enter and after you copy and paste everything and this check is 0,
Mm.
that means you did it correctly. And then we also check our EBITDA. So EBITDA 6A1 versus the one that we enter. Oh, this one 691. Oh, sorry, 148. EBITDA 148 for May. And then let me go to the end. 147. Okay. You can tell that there are some row missing.
Mm.
It's not matching. So now we have to check why. Let me check.
1,000
Roughly 1000. So it must be something, some
staff
new
welfare.
account, for example. Hmm?
Maybe the staff welfare.
It could be. I'll just compare it. I'll just do another screen. Uh, just gonna compare it on my end to see from head to bottom. So our revenue 1344. That's correct. Oh, it's from the supervisor, the sick leave. So this our P&L doesn't have this account yet. the supervisor. Okay, here. Long service leave. I'll just do. I just add on this account here. And then it's automatically read. Okay, let's check our total again. EBITDA 148631. EBITDA 148631. Okay, that's correct. EBITDA 148. Mm, 275. Yep. So can you please? So I will save this file here. Can you please update the previous month data and we have a look again?
Oh, you mean the cons?
Yeah, the cons global.
So I just go
Mm.
to the last month cons global, right?
That's right.
Copy.
That's right. That's right. Copy and paste. Just
Okay.
make sure you put in the correct line.
So the last two, and then
Mm,
the third one will be just reading from that last two.
that's right.
Mm. So you said that where you get the unit from?
So the unit is from the file here from. So if you go to April and then go to journal, working file. This is the volume from Ada.
From Ada.
Mm, mm,
Mm.
okay.
So just say you I update this and also work on the
Mm,
COP class. Is there anything else I need to know? And
so we did the.
we have to verify
Mm,
because
so we did
tomorrow,
the.
two more
We did
days
the
will.
fuel. That's right. That's right. We did the fuel. We did the NAB. Tomorrow, the revenue rebate. Or I'll show you how to do the wages accrual for temp staff, but finish that one first, and then I'll show you maybe in an hour. Mm. We do the wages accrual for temp staff. This one is also the same as the fuel rebate, but we're just gonna be preparing the file first,
Which
and
one?
we
The
wages accrual for temp staff.
we just prepare it,
Mm,
and maybe tomorrow they will finish
mm.
the last payroll, right? Then
Yep.
have to
Yes,
post that.
that's right. That's right. You can check today as well to see if they already finished or not. They either post it today or tomorrow. Not yet. Mm,
Thank you. Okay.
Okay. I'll catch up with you in about an hour.
Okay.
Or half an hour if you finish earlier.
Okay. Talk to you
Okay.
soon.
Okay. Thank you. Bye, Andy.